Good morning, students. Today we will discuss on sentences and basically we will discuss parts of a sentence. There are three main parts of a sentence. First one is subject, second is predicate, and third is object. Now question is here, what is subject? The subject of a sentence is the noun or word group acting as a noun that performs the action expressed in the predicate of a sentence. जो हम किसी भी सेंटेंस में जिसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं दैट इज सब्जेक्ट. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सैली लव्स चॉकलेट. हियर व्हाट इज सैली? सैली इज subject of this sentence. And second one is the black and white dog was barking at the stranger. Here what is the black and white dog? The black and white dog is subject here in this sentence. Second is predicate. Predicate is the part of the sentence that says something about the subject. जो सब्जेक्ट के बारे में कुछ कहता है वो प्रेडिकेट होता है. इन अदर वर्ड्स द पार्ट ऑफ द सेंटेंस दैट इज नॉट द सब्जेक्ट. ए प्रेडिकेट कैन बी वन वर्ड और सेवरल वर्ड्स, नॉट ऑल ऑफ विच आर वर्ब्स. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, हैरी एट हिज एप्पल. हियर व्हाट इज सब्जेक्ट? सब्जेक्ट इज हैरी and remaining part of the sentence is predicate. After verb and after the words as they are following the verb, ate is apple, these words are predicates. The dog has been sniffing. Here what is dog? The dog is subject and remaining part is predicate, has been sniffing. And last one is object. A object is a group of words which is used after a transitive verb is called an object. There are two types of objects, direct and indirect. First one, we are talking about direct object. The thing is the direct object. For example, I write a letter. Here what is a letter? A letter is an object. It is direct object. बेसिकली जो नॉन लिविंग थिंग्स होती हैं वो हमारे क्या होती हैं? डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट होती हैं. एंड इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट, द पर्सन टू होम समथिंग इज गिवन और फॉर होम समथिंग इज डन इज कॉल्ड द इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट वो होता है जिसके बारे में हम बातें करते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई गेव हिम ए बुक. हियर ए बुक इज डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट एंड हिम इज इनडायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट. Second, I wrote her a letter. Here a letter is direct object and her is indirect object. Living things we can say. So I think it's complete.